Today we are going to solve one numerical question from UGC NET Paper 1. Here we are given that consider the following table that shows the total number of tickets sold of 5 movies P, Q, R, S and T across 2 cinema houses A and B on a particular day. In accordance with the table, answer the question, and we need to answer this question, which is what is the difference between the total number of tickets sold of all movies together at cinema A and cinema and number of tickets sold of all movies together at cinema B. Okay, so let's start. The total tickets sold at A is equals to 200 plus 350 plus 250 plus 300 plus 400, and it results in 1500. Okay, the total tickets sold at cinema B is equals to 300 plus 400 plus 350 plus again 350 and lastly 250, which results in 1650. Therefore the required difference is equals to 1650 minus 1500, which results in 150. Okay, therefore the correct answer is 150, which is C. C is the correct answer. Now let's check another question. So this is the next question. Here we are asked that what is the total number of tickets sold of movies Q and R together at the both cinema halls A and B. So let's check. This is cinema Q and this is cinema R, and if we check the total number of tickets sold in both of the halls, there are 4 values corresponding to Q. There are 2 values, that is 350 and 400, and corresponding to R there are also 2 values, which is 250 and 350. Therefore the total number of tickets sold are the total number of tickets sold of Q and R at A and B is equals to 350 plus 250 plus 400 plus 350, which results in 1350 rupees. Sorry, 1350 tickets. Therefore the correct option is the option D. Okay, so D is the correct option. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.